Welcome to the channel, Tectonic. Today, we're diving into AMD's latest offering in the mid-range CPU market, the AMD Ryzen 5 7500F. Whether you're building a new rig or looking to upgrade, this 6-core, 12-thread beast might just be the perfect choice for you. Let's break down what makes this processor stand out. The AMD Ryzen 5 7500F is part of AMD's Ryzen 7000 series, built on the cutting-edge 5nm process. With a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz, this CPU can handle most tasks you throw at it, whether it's gaming, content creation, or multitasking. Show on-screen graphics, specs breakdown, architecture Zen 4, cores/threads 6 cores/12 threads, base clock 3.7 GHz, L3 cache 32 MB, TDP 65W, socket AM5, process technology 5 nanometers. One of the highlights here is the 32 MB of L3 cache, which helps in reducing latency and improving performance across a range of applications. And with the Zen 4 architecture, you're looking at significant efficiency improvements over previous generations. Let's talk performance. The Ryzen 5 7500F is designed for users who need solid multi-threaded performance without breaking the store in gaming. You can expect this CPU to pair well with mid to high-end GPUs, delivering smooth frame rates even in demanding titles. When it comes to productivity tasks, like video editing or 3D rendering, those 12 threads really start to shine, offering great performance for creators who need to get work done fast. Most of the major advantages of the Ryzen 5 7500F is its power efficiency. With a TDP of just 65 watts, this CPU is perfect for those who want a powerful system without high energy consumption. However, note that this model comes without a cooler, so you'll need to invest in a separate cooling solution to keep those temperatures in check. The Ryzen 5 7500F uses the AM5 socket, which means it's compatible with the latest motherboards that support DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0. This makes it an excellent choice for future-proofing your system. Plus, the AM5 platform is expected to support several generations of CPUs, so you'll have plenty of upgrade options down the road. So, who is the Ryzen 5 7500F for? If you're a gamer looking to build a capable PC without overspending, or a content creator who needs strong multi-threaded performance at an affordable price, this CPU should be on your radar. Just remember, you'll need to pick up a cooler, as this one doesn't come with one in the box. In summary, the AMD Ryzen 5 7500F offers a great balance of power, efficiency, and value, all in a sleek 5nm package. With strong performance in both gaming and productivity tasks, this processor is a solid choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade their PC on the AM5 platform. The review you shared seems to be from an AliExpress shopper, and it mentions the following. Delivery. The product was delivered quickly in 10 days to the transit branch of the shopper's country. However, there was a delay in receiving the package from the local mail service. Product. The shopper is discussing a product, likely a Ryzen processor, given the images, that can operate at up to 5 GHz and supports a frequency of 6,400 MHz. Overall satisfaction. The review appears to be positive, as indicated by the 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and build guides. Let us know in the comments, are you planning to upgrade to the Ryzen 5 7500F? And as always, stay tuned for more awesome content.